Hey guys, it's me. I'm back, and today I'm going to show you how to get the start button working again in Windows 10. So, first of all, right click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager, and then put it in full screen, then go down, then right click on the Windows Explorer service, then click on Restart. After this, give it a minute to restart. A minute or 10 seconds or something. Then you'll be able to access your start menu. See, I also had a problem with this, but now it's completely over. So I hope you guys will like my video if you did, and please subscribe to my channel because it'll help me a lot. And guys, I'll see you in my next video.